animated video like this with just verbal descriptions without any editing, animation, or graphics skills at all. All you need to do is just follow 2 steps. 1 is to write a script by Chat GPT, and 2 is to use another extremely cool AI tool to create movie scenes. It's easy to say, but actually doing it is not easy at all. But I hope with the specific step-by-step instructions in this video, all of you can do it. So please stick around till the end of this video, because I'll share some thoughts on this AI tool. Now let's start. Step 1. Create script with Chat GPT. Now I will tell it. Can you write me a video script with only 100 words about 5 tips for helping beginner learners improve their English? In just a blink of an eye, it gives you a full script like this. Step 2. Create a video introducing to you an extremely cool tool, Steve AI. You can click Sign up for free here. I chose to register through Google, and it automatically created an account for me. With this tool, you have many choices. With the text-to-video option, you can convert text into real human video or real image. The text-to-animation option means you can also convert text to animation style, especially if you have an existing blog and want to expand into YouTube. Everyone is welcome to use this software with the blog-to-video or blog-to-animation option. Here, I will choose text-to-animation. Then we just need to copy the script from ChatGPT and put it here. And Steve AI will automatically break down the script into individual scenes. And to provide more information, in the Enter the Topic of your video field, I will fill in Explaining Video, or any other topic depending on your idea. Remember to uncheck Add Music in order not to infringe YouTube copyright. Then click Next. Choose the video style you like. It will then create a video with many scenes like this. Okay, that's the machine doing. We're the ones doing it from here. There are 3 main parts of a video, which are characters, text, and background. We can completely change all 3 of these elements to best suit our wishes when making this video. It has also created a character for you, but you can completely click on this character image and change to another character you like by clicking Change Character. There are tons of free options here for everyone. We can also change the character's actions by clicking Change Action. I'll switch to this guy who looks like he's studied a bit. Okay, hey, look at his face. He looks quite uncomfortable. It seems a bit strange, right? You can completely change that facial expression by clicking Change Action and selecting Expression. And I will choose a smiley face for a happier atmosphere. We can also completely change the character color as we want by clicking Change Color. I think it's okay, so I'll keep it as it is. As for the background, if you feel it's okay, then fine. But as I mentioned before, we can completely change this background image by clicking the background and then clicking Change Background. There are also countless options here, and you can type in the searching box the wallpaper you desire. For example, here I will type the keyword school. Then you just need to choose whichever you like. You can also change the color of the background by clicking Change Color, then clicking Custom. Here, it has pre-designed color tones that go together accordingly. So if you don't have any knowledge about graphics or colors, you just need to choose whichever one looks good to your eyes. Finally, for the text, you can freely change the font style, font size, position, and even color. And you can do the same for the remaining scenes as you like. Then you will click Voice Over to voice the character. There are 2 options. One is that you will upload your dubbing file. Second, you can also voice over with AI by clicking Add Steve Voice. You will customize the options to your liking. Click Generate Voice. Okay, and now we just need to click Publish. Fill in video title. Select the size of this video, and then review the entire video last time. Finally, click Download, and you will have a video like this. So it's done. Too simple, right? This tool will be extremely suitable for those who want to create content animation, However, there are a few problems that we need to face. According to my experience, there will be 3 problems with this tool. First, it only supports certain languages, not all languages in the world. Second, how to create a more sophisticated, complete, and better video. Surely, we have to spend more time and effort if we want to reach a more perfect and attractive level. And third, the free version is required to have a watermark. If you only need a video for presentation and explaining an idea, then having a watermark is not a big problem. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Please help me like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to leave your comments below about the AI tools that you need me to review. Thanks for watching.